Before moisture-wicking fabrics, before high-performance sportswear, before engineered ventilation became standard, there was the mesh shirt. Light, breathable, efficient. It wasn't designed to keep heat in. It was designed to let it escape. The story of the mesh shirt begins with a simple observation. The human body performs best when it can regulate its temperature. For centuries, loose-woven fabrics improved airflow, but as athletics, industry, and military operations demanded greater performance, textile engineers searched for something better. Their solution was remarkably simple. Create thousands of tiny openings within the fabric itself. Allow air to circulate continuously, without sacrificing strength. The science behind the mesh shirt begins with airflow. Its open knit structure increases ventilation by allowing warm air and moisture vapor to move freely away from the skin. As fresh air enters the garment, evaporative cooling becomes more efficient. The result is improved thermal comfort during physical activity. Modern synthetic fibers further enhance this process by transporting sweat away from the body, where it evaporates more rapidly. Construction requires extraordinary precision. Every opening must remain consistent. Every knit pattern balances flexibility with durability. Different mesh densities are strategically placed to maximize ventilation while maintaining structural integrity. Flat lock seams reduce friction. Stretch fibers improve mobility. Ergonomic panel layouts follow the body's natural movement. Throughout history, mesh garments expanded far beyond athletics. Cyclists relied on them during long races. Military forces adopted mesh base layers for hot climates. Industrial workers wore them beneath protective equipment. Outdoor adventurers embraced their lightweight comfort. Even high fashion incorporated mesh into contemporary design. One fabric, countless applications. Psychologically, the mesh shirt represents freedom. It removes unnecessary weight, reduces distraction, and allows the wearer to focus entirely on movement. Its comfort often goes unnoticed, which is precisely the point. The best performance garments disappear while being worn. Today, modern textile engineering continues pushing the concept even further. Recycled polyester reduces environmental impact. 3D knitting creates seamless garments with targeted ventilation. Bio-based fibers improve sustainability. Computer-designed knit structures optimize airflow for different climates and activities. Some fabrics even integrate antimicrobial treatments and infrared performance technologies. Yet the original principle remains unchanged. Move air, move moisture, improve comfort. Today, the mesh shirt has become an essential garment across sports, outdoor exploration, military service, healthcare, and everyday life. Its breathable construction continues improving human performance. Its engineering continues inspiring new textile innovations. Its design proves that sometimes, the most effective fabric is the one that contains a little less fabric. Every woven opening reflects thoughtful engineering. Every carefully knitted fiber preserves decades of textile innovation. Every mesh shirt reminds us that true performance often begins with the simple ability to breathe.